Those crazy wrens are always wanting to build a nest in something. Well, this is something I had a long time ago when I had a bigger house, the land tracker, and it took, what, 3 or 4 of batteries, and you had to, you send the tone down a lot. But I think I wasn't really thinking about it, but then it kind of hit me. I can use this to find accessory wires, instead of sticking a T-pin in it. All you'd have to do, I'll probably do it under the dash, just kind of for testing purposes. So we're going to turn this thing on, and well, it worked up at the house, but I don't know. Let's just, it don't seem to be working. Why ain't you working? The blue light's on. Huh. What's wrong with you? Oop. Yeah, I got one of them little horn buttons on the side here. Well, let's go up here. 12 to, well, I know it ought to go off right here. Why ain't this thing working? Oh, I just heard my, well, is it gonna work here? So this ain't so much for automotive, I guess, huh? Well, okay. 12 to 1,000. It ain't working. Well, so much for that idea. I was thinking I could find accessory wires, but that's kind of a rare animal anyway. What y'all beeping about up there for? Okay. Alright, well, it always comes on. Come on, I'm trying to get it to... I'm hitting mute. Here. There you go. Huh. Well, I guess it don't work. Well, note to self. This doesn't work too good on cars. Well, let's go over here then. Let's go right to the source. Well, I know there's 12 volts right there. Look at that, not picking it up from the battery. Okay, never mind. Okay, I still like it. Alright, we'll just put it in my little pile of meters and stuff. But I like it. Liked it at the house, just don't like it here. Let's see, I got the SD card back in here. Well, that's all I wanted to do on Daphne. So we're going to just disconnect everything. So what I'm going to do here today is I'm going to play around cleaning these wheels. That's not good enough because I might forget. Whoa, I might need to... Let me just you on there. I do this every single time. Well, let me crank her up and move her off and get her on here a little better. I don't think I need to crank her up. I think I can just turn the wheels and put her back a little bit. Okay, well, we'll see. Don't matter. Point is going to be to clean these, see what I got here. I got some Ajax and I got some Tilex, and I got some other stuff. I forget. Oh, there's those wipey cloth things that I got. So let's see if we can get this going. Okay. I'm all set here. I got my tub of towels. I got hot water and some dry cloth. I got my Tilex and some Dawn and some warm water and some Ajax. So all I need now is a little brush, and we're gonna do this side. Let's do this side first so the dirt will run down. Always wash the top of your car first. Okay, cool. So let's just see how it does. I'll tell you the sequence in a minute. I kind of want my camera to be closed up. I don't want things splashing back up on it. Okay, well, I hit it with Dawn. my little, just a couple of, there's probably 2 tablespoons in there. And then I hit it with a little bit of Ajax, and then I scrubbed it, and then I sprayed some Tilex on it, and then I scrubbed it again. I'm just going to let it set, and I got my little tub of towels here, so we're going to kind of do that too. Well, I'll tell you what, it didn't hurt none. I don't know. Everybody says something different. These tires maybe are 6 months old and maybe have 500 miles on them, maybe less, because it only take her 12 miles to town and then 12 miles back, of course. Once or twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week. Okay. Well, yeah, I think the main thing to do is get the dirt from around it out so you don't keep scrubbing it on the tire. So let's see what it looks like. I always think of my friend Jim when I use this water bucket because, okay. So I think what I'll do is I'll get the Tilex and just sort of go across them like that. Now these wheels are powder coated, so I don't think it's going to hurt them any. But if you use this on yours, like I say, never do what I do. Okay, and we're going to just let that sit there a minute. And yeah, I think it's better to put it on something and then that. Okay, and we'll have something to compare to. And as you can tell, I got her. Oh, that looks pretty sharp, actually. Can't hardly tell. Okay, let's let it sit there a minute and work, and we'll come back and check it. Make sure my finger's dry. Okay, it's been sitting 2 or 3 minutes, and we'll check out the results here. Wow. Well, you can't hardly argue with that now. Let me just pick up the whole tripod. Dang. From that to, that's almost glowing white. Well, it looks like I woke up to a good idea, because I woke up thinking, why don't you just use some Tilex on there a little bit and do it that way. So 1 down, 7 to go. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and do them today. It only took like 5 minutes. Made 1 or 2 songs. Wow, what a difference, huh? Wow, I'm going to take a picture of that. That'll be my thumbnail picture. Well, I feel good about doing the white letters on the Healy now. So, because that just woke them up, man. That was great. Okay, golly, they glow. So I might dab a little bit of this on there. I'm sort of in the middle of the road about that, because it'll just draw dirt to them. So that stuff's kind of sticky. So I don't know what I'll do. But you can see back here, these got maybe 1/5 the miles those have, and they just look terrible. So it's too cold to crank this car today. So once it's under like 50 degrees, I don't crank these old cars. It's just too hard on them. It needs to be 50 to 60 for a good whole day or two. And I think we're at 37 right now. So, okay, we'll walk around and then we'll finish it out. But that's going to be it today. And I might move the BMW over here. I got to put the top up on the BMW. That's right.